Morning. Welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to yet another vlog. Honestly, in this vlog we're going to be doing a lot of cleaning and packing. We won't have a lot of stuff to pack, to be very honest, but my husband and I had removed our clothes from our suitcases just to leave a little bit more comfortably. So yeah, I think I want to start cleaning. I don't want to, I have to start cleaning. We have to make sure the backyard is in very good condition. It is going to be raining though the whole week, so I don't think we're going to do anything in the outdoor. We just need to work on the inside of the house. So I'm just going to be cleaning like the windows, just wiping down everything, the kitchen tiles, the bathroom itself, the living room, and then after we've removed like all that stuff, then we'll like thoroughly vacuum and mop. But yeah, it is our last week in this house, so we're moving officially on Monday next week though, but obviously I can't leave the cleaning to like Monday, just one day. But yeah, I want to make breakfast now. It's raining, it looks so cute, so cozy. I'm spending a lot of my time in the bedroom though, because it's warmer there. We have like a heater that we can just plug instead of using like the whole entire central heating system for the whole house, which is gonna warm up the whole house, and doesn't make sense because I'm just comfortable in the room. I'm currently watching The Resident on Netflix. I'm enjoying it. Over the weekend I wanted to start a vlog actually on Saturday. We had like a food market here, which sounded really nice. My husband and I went. Guys, when I tell you there were so many people, I've never seen so many people in this area like that before, and it actually made me appreciate like it's not like a small town like I usually call it. There's actually a lot of people that live here, and this area is actually way bigger than I thought it was. There were so many people I just couldn't vlog. Like literally there were oh my god, there was no space for you to set foot. Sunday, my husband and I wanted to go to church. We had to leave the car at home if we wanted to go to church because of the food market show thing. There was no parking. Anyway, we couldn't walk to church because it was raining like heavily. Today is just drizzling, even it's way better. You could do this, but we couldn't. So we ended up just watching from home. It's actually Dream Week. Dream Week. It's the week of Dream Week. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it's my first time missing Dream Week. I don't know how I feel about that, but I will be connecting online for the morning and evening sessions, you know, just to get that revival in my life and connect more with God. So yeah, now I just wanted to make myself breakfast and coffee. I'm gonna go back to the room. I honestly can't deal with the cold. It's like, I think 9 degrees. So it is pretty cold. Just gonna have a coffee, make some sausages that taste like plastic. Or just trying to empty everything in the house. We haven't done like a grocery shopping and stuff in a while. We're just trying to clear out everything that we have in the house. Yeah, just so we start on a new slate, clean slate in the new house. But yeah, I wish us the best. Oh, my hairline. Anyways, let's make something to eat.
In the presence of those that honor me, he said, no, you will prepare a table before the presence of my enemies. All on your face, it only means you're about to receive a new anointing.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. Today is Tuesday, the 1st of October, and we're still living in that house. Yeah, I know. We're gonna be moving on Friday, the 4th. And I'm so stressed because I usually post my vlogs on Fridays, and that usually means I should be done editing by Thursday.
Continue straight for 12 minutes to a 4042 USK Road.
That usually means I should be done editing on Thursday, upload the vlog overnight, and then by Friday I just add the thumbnail, description, and then just make it live for you guys. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I actually wanted to include the empty apartment tour in this vlog. So I don't know, I might post the vlog like after lunch or something. I'll just edit it and then literally shoot and then edit to the vlog and then literally upload immediately. I really hope I manage because I don't like posting vlogs on like Saturday because people are busy. But we shall see. And last week I didn't have a vlog. I actually took a little bit of a break. Honestly, I said that we're not gonna move because I had just set my mind to, you know, that's what I'm gonna vlog, that's what we're gonna do, just preparation for moving. So when they said we're only gonna be able to get in the house on the 4th, I'm like, that's a bummer. But yeah, my husband and I actually going to get some stuff, some cleaning stuff. We need to get a bed frame. I think by latest we should order today evening if we want them to be delivered by Friday. So that's what we're gonna do. I just want to check the charity shop that a lot of people talk about just one last time. My husband and I go there, like I think we've been there a couple of times, but we never really saw like nice things, but people keep recommending it, so we just want to check it out one last time before we order stuff online, you know, just so I can have peace of mind that we actually did check for like more affordable options. But if we don't find anything, we're gonna order a bed frame that I saw. I'm really praying because that one is within our budget. I saw one comment though, somebody saying we shouldn't buy it, we're gonna regret it, it's not as described and the material looks very cheap. But the other reviews in the bed frame are actually good, people like it. So I don't know, it does look a bit lower than what I would like, but it's okay. I think we should just get it. If we don't find anything better where we're going, we'll just order that one. It's like a beige color. It's cute from the pictures, so I'm really praying. It's giving me so much anxiety, but I hope we manage. We also need to order a mattress and then a fridge, washing machine, I think microwave, kettle and toaster. Yeah, the rest we'll see as the months go by, but I think for now that's what we need. We already got like pots, plates and stuff, so we don't need all of that stuff. But yeah, let me interact with my husband. I will talk to you guys later. I was so excited when I saw TK legs. I didn't know they had it in this area, but they actually don't have a lot in stock. So yeah,
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
Need to know.
Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
I just wanted to show you guys what we got earlier on. Okay, some of the stuff we got. We didn't buy anything finisher wise, but we are gonna order some stuff online. Yeah, we got a caramel macchiato, a syrup. I'm vlogging Buna. It's a syrup. We got it from TK Maxx. It was £5. And then we saw this like coffee pots, Dramacca Italia. We just wanted to try them out. I really hope they're nice. They were £2.99. And then we saw these ones that we were interested in trying as well. We don't even know what flavor this is. I'm guessing that. I don't know. They're £2.49. So yeah, also got a couple of cleaning stuff. Let me actually show you guys. We got this Astonish cleaning paste from Poundland. I love it so much. I was cleaning the oven with it, and then my husband just put it on the trays here. We're gonna wash them tomorrow because we're tired. Sink had like a little bit of rust, so my husband was like, let me just try it, maybe it will work. It actually did. You can see a little bit of it though here, but it was so much worse than this. I actually made a scratch. I'll fix that tomorrow. Yeah, so that's how it's going so far. We'll have a full day of cleaning tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna take you guys with.
And it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need a I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave me while you're lonely. Leave me while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Just gonna do the outside. I poured dishwashing liquid in here. It was an empty bottle, so I'm just gonna spray it and then scrub it a little with this.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart when is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out I'm through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have so far?
This gun in the world.
I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me.
I'm going to take a nap. It's like 11:30. I think I'm gonna wake up at 2. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up at 2. Probably shower. And then I need to clean the fridge, at least the top part. We're gonna unplug it today because they did say they need the fridge to be unplugged 48 hours before we leave. Moving out is such a task. Oh my god, I wish we were those people. I wish I was that person that would just hire a cleaning company to do everything. But I'd rather take that money and use it for something else, and then do the hard work myself, the labor myself. I actually want to order a perfume from Zara. They have like a cute sale. One thing about furniture shopping, we tried to order some stuff yesterday, but our order is not complete. They said they'll communicate, like the shop sent an email saying they'll communicate. We shouldn't worry. I hope they do so by today, because when we tried to order, they said they'll deliver by Sunday. Yeah, otherwise we were supposed to pay something like £35 if we wanted the stuff to get earlier. £35, darling. Do you know what I can get with £35? So no, obviously we opted for just a normal delivery, which was gonna arrive on Sunday if we ordered yesterday. But because the order is not complete, the stuff might come maybe Monday, Tuesday. And I'm talking about the big things like the fridge, washing machine. The smaller stuff, they said they'll deliver them by, I forgot, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, I really don't know. And we didn't even order a mattress yet, actually. And we spent more than we should have buying the other things. So you might just get a mattress alone and then get like a bed frame next month, because we are reckless. Yeah, let me take a nap. I'm just gonna have some cookies. The lighting in this house is terrible. Oh my god, there's stuff on top of the bed. We're trying to pack the stuff that we can. I see this is a lot of work.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak.
I'm so exhausted. There's no time to fix my wig. We're going to get the house keys finally. Oh, Mudumaka. we're finally gonna get the house keys. We couldn't fit everything in the car. There's just a few things left. Honestly, we're just trying to wash everything. So our duvet is on the line, our pillows and bedding, you know, just a couple of miscellaneous stuff, our glasses as well. But yeah, let's go. So we're just gonna unlock, do the house tour, offload a few things that we have, and then I'm gonna come back to this house, finish up, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. The only thing we need to do is vacuum the stairs and the dining room, and then mop the kitchen. Everything else is donezies. Okay, we still don't have furniture. We have a little situation with the shop. We ordered our stuff. The order that didn't go through. The order didn't go through. There was, I don't know, a technical issue, but they took the money. So I having trouble asking, well, getting back the refund. We were told to wait 24 hours. And 24 hours was another 24 hours. Hopefully we get help today. And the thing is, when we ordered on Tuesday, we ordered on Tuesday. The stuff was supposed to be delivered by Sunday. So because it's Friday, we haven't ordered. I suspect we're only gonna get our stuff like next week, God knows when, unless we pay for a faster delivery, which honestly, guys, it costs like, I think, 20 pounds more. I think it's quite unfair that we have to pay that much despite it not being our fault. But you know what, yeah, we ordered a mattress on Amazon. It's the only thing we didn't order from that store. So the mattress is getting delivered today between 3 and 4. So yeah, I think we'll be at the new house, then we'll be able to receive it. I don't even have time to put mousse on this wig, child. I don't even know where I put the mousse. But yeah, let's go to our new home. I'm not going to miss this house.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window.
Guys, I stayed in the car while my husband went to pick up the key. He managed, so yeah, he's just trying to sort out the parking fee or whatever it is. I thought this parking was free, but I see a lot of people going to the machine and stuff. I know that you charge on certain days, and then on other days they don't charge, sorry. Oh guys, I'm so exhausted. I woke up at like 6 a.m. because I got a call from my mom. Yeah, so I've been up since. It's currently 12 o'clock. I haven't had breakfast because we packed everything. Haven't had coffee, so you can imagine how I feel. I didn't even take a bath. Just woke up, I started cleaning the shower, the bathroom. So you know when the bathroom is super clean, I don't want to mess it up. So I told my husband, you know what, we'll bath in the new house. We'll bath in the new house. So yeah, oh my god, guys, I need to take a nap. I need to take a good nap. I need to take a good ass nap. I'm exhausted, I don't want to lie. Oh my god.
The reason why you always on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome to our empty house tour. I'm literally standing at the entryway. So yeah, when you walk in, we have a guest toilet. It's just the toilet and basin, nothing much to it. And then as you walk this side is the living room. I don't know why there's so many things there. Probably fiber, internet, whatever you call it. And then this is the living room. It's not the biggest. This is the door to the kitchen slash diner. We have storage downstairs here. This is it. under the stairs. So yeah, I think it's not too bad. We could put our clothes in here. And this is the kitchen slash diner. It's not too big. And then that is the backyard. That's the door to the backyard. This is the kitchen. Yeah, that's the kitchen. You have space for a fridge there. And then there's space for a washing machine.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with.
That's the first bedroom. This is what it looks like. And then the stairs, the next bedroom. That's what it looks like. We still can't figure out which room is bigger. But I'd say this one, I'm not too sure. It has a little bit of storage. It's built in a very weird way. They could have made space down there as well. But at least we can hang a few of our clothes in here.
I don't think we're compatible. It's just not in the house anymore. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you. And it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my
Ordered McDonald's, a Philly steak something. We're gonna be having that for the first time today.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
It's not bad though. I think it's better than the other burgers we've had. But it doesn't have lettuce, it doesn't have tomato, it doesn't have anything.
You did the jalapeno.
Patty, onion, cheese. I literally ate one jalapeno.
No train station.
We're waiting for a mattress order. They said that we have between 3 and 4. Hi, let's see. Oh, I think we should call those people.
Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me.
Okay, and then in regards to the delivery address, is it the same as the billing address?
Yes.
And you said how much was the total value of the items that were ordered? Was it 1,100? Sorry, 1,500. So you mentioned that you ordered a lot of products, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Not a problem at all. Bear with me. Okay. So just to confirm quickly, this is not the first time you are calling in regards to this, correct?
No, it's the third time.
Okay. Not a problem. So what I've done is I've actually submitted a ghost resolution form, meaning that we are basically requesting our back office team to do an investigation in regards to the purchase, okay? Because I've provided the order number, all right?
Okay.
And the turnaround time for that is actually a 24-hour period. 24 to 48 hours. You should be receiving a response via email or via phone call.
Is it not possible for us to go to an office or a store to get help? Because like I'm saying, it's the third time we're calling about this. The order that we made, we were supposed to be receiving the stuff by Sunday. It's already Friday and we don't know what we're going to do. It's obviously home stuff like fridge, microwave, and things that we really need urgently.
Okay, because this was an online order, even if you go to the store, they wouldn't be able to assist you. Because this is an online order, we deal with online orders.
Okay. Okay.
So yes, the store can be able to assist, but then they'd call through to us, just like how you called.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's basically the same thing.
Okay, so what happens when we don't hear from you guys in the next 24 to 48 hours?
The details have been escalated. You should be hearing from us. However, if you don't, then you're more than welcome to give us a ring. But a response has been submitted.
Okay, because the can I have those?
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop both sides. And O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I put myself in the zone, nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. Your face might get my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stay here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy
Guys, I called the store again today to ask for assistance. I don't know if you guys heard that, but the lady said she had logged a complaint. She had escalated it, and that will be called within the next 24 to 48 hours. I tried to explain that this is the third time we're calling, and we're being told the same thing. No one is willing to help, and unfortunately we don't have that kind of money lying around in our account to order the stuff. Yeah. I don't know. I really don't know, hey? So for now we have a mattress that we're not supposed to use until at least 72 hours from now. I don't know how that's gonna work out. We have a sleeping bag though. Maybe tonight we'll sleep on a sleeping bag, but tomorrow I don't think we'll wait. Guys, we're tired. We need to sleep comfortably. I want to close off this vlog here on this very sad note, but I'll see you guys next week. I'm so sorry. I apologize for this vlog being this late. I really wanted you guys to see this house before we wrap it up. So yeah, in my next vlog will obviously be packing the house and settling in. We just pray to the Lord that we would have gotten at least some of the appliances. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. This eyebrow looks so thin. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this vlog, please like it, leave me a comment, and please do share with whoever you think will enjoy this type of content. All right, I'll see you guys next week. I love you. Bye.